The Blink weather-resistant 13FT power adapter is an essential accessory for anyone looking to extend the flexibility and reach of their Blink Mini 2 cameras. This adapter provides a reliable 13-foot extension, allowing you to place your cameras in locations that were previously difficult or impossible to reach. Whether you want to monitor outdoor spaces, backyards, garages, or entryways, this power adapter ensures your camera stays powered consistently without being limited by the original cord length. Designed to withstand outdoor conditions, the adapter is weather-resistant and durable, capable of handling rain, snow, and heat without affecting performance. This feature makes it perfect for homeowners and small business owners who want dependable outdoor camera coverage. Unlike standard indoor cords, this extension is built to survive the elements, protecting both the connection and the camera from environmental wear and tear. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. You simply connect it to your existing Blink Mini 2 camera, and the 13-foot cord provides enough slack to position the camera exactly where you need it. The flexibility it offers eliminates the need for complicated wiring or inconvenient placement compromises. This means you can maintain the ideal viewing angle for maximum security coverage, whether it's over a doorway, near a driveway, or around a patio area. The power adapter maintains a steady and consistent flow of electricity to your Blink Mini 2, ensuring uninterrupted video streaming and recording. This consistency is crucial for maintaining a reliable security system, particularly in areas where camera placement is critical for monitoring entrances or high-traffic zones. Users will notice that the connection is stable, and there are no drops or interruptions caused by the extended length, which makes it a practical and highly functional solution. Overall, the Blink weather-resistant 13FT power adapter is an indispensable addition to any Blink Mini 2 setup. It enhances placement versatility, ensures consistent power delivery, and is built to handle outdoor conditions. For anyone wanting to maximize the effectiveness of their Blink Mini 2 camera and extend coverage to more challenging areas, this adapter is the best solution available, providing both convenience and peace of mind for home or business security.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.